How to build a wealthy portfolio in just 10 minutes a day. Most people think building wealth requires complex strategies, endless market watching, or a finance degree. It doesn't. In reality, consistency beats complexity, and 10 focused minutes a day can quietly compound into a powerful, wealthy portfolio over time. Here's how to make those 10 minutes count. The secret most investors miss. Wealth isn't built by reacting to the market. It's built by showing up regularly with a system. 10 minutes a day works because it removes overwhelm. It prevents emotional decisions. It keeps you consistent during both booms and crashes. The goal isn't to beat the market. The goal is to own it patiently. Minute 1 C2. Track what actually matters. Forget watching every stock price. Spend your first couple of minutes reviewing your total portfolio value, your asset allocation, stocks, bonds, cash, alternatives, your cash available to invest. This creates awareness, and awareness prevents careless decisions. Wealthy investors always know where their money is without obsessing. Minute 3 C5. Add money even a little. This is the most important step. Daily investing, even small amounts, harnesses dollar cost averaging, habit formation, emotional neutrality, whether it's $5 or $500. Adding capital consistently matters more than timing the perfect entry. Wealth loves routine. Minute 6 C7. Strengthen the foundation. Instead of chasing hype, focus on core holdings, broad market ETFs, quality dividend stocks, low-cost index funds. Ask yourself, would I be happy owning this for 10 years? If the answer is no, it doesn't belong in a wealthy portfolio. Minute 8 C9. Learn one tiny thing. You don't need hours of research, just one insight per day. A business model you admire. A macro trend worth understanding. A mistake to avoid. 10 minutes of learning daily compounds into elite financial judgment over time. Smart money is patient money. Minute 10. Do nothing seriously. The final minute is about restraint. Resist panic selling, overtrading, constant tinkering. Wealthy portfolios grow because their owners let compounding do the heavy lifting. Sometimes the best move is no move at all. Why this works long term. 10 minutes a day creates consistency over intensity, discipline over emotion, growth over noise. Over a year, that's 60+ hours of focused investing without burnout. And over a decade, that's how ordinary people quietly become wealthy. The real difference between rich and broke investors. It's not intelligence. It's not insider tips. It's not luck. It's showing up every day with a simple, repeatable process, even when it feels boring. Especially when it feels boring. Final thought. You don't need more time. You don't need more money. You need a system you'll actually stick to. 10 minutes a day is enough to change your financial future if you start today.